In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we have completed the chapter which is known as syntax. Syntax is the study of the structure of the sentence. After the completion of the syntax chapter, I presented two theories before you. The first theory that is known as generative grammar. Second theory that is known as binding theory. Listeners and audience, today I am going to introduce the new theory and syntax that is known as X-bar theory. Listeners and audience, X-bar theory was introduced by Noam Chomsky. According to this theory, the X-bar theory proposes that each phrase in every sentence and every language is organized in the same manner. Similarly, the theory proposes that each phrase has its own head. If a noun is the head of a phrase, definitely that phrase would be a noun phrase. If an adjective phrase is the head of a noun phrase, definitely that is adjective phrase. I'm talking about adjective. If adjective is the head of a phrase, definitely that would be adjective phrase. Same is the case if a preposition is the head of a phrase, so that would be a prepositional phrase, and so on, so forth. Now, this theory also proposes that every phrase might contain other phrases in the form of complement and specifier. Listeners and audience, we will elaborate this in detail, but the question arises, why it is called X-bar theory? Answer to this question is that actually the theory proposes three levels. Generally, we have two levels of a phrase, like the top or the bottom, or the head or the phrase. But X-bar theory proposes that there are three levels of a phrase. For example, we have noun phrase, and noun phrase we have N. But the theory also explains and elaborates another label for the phrase. For example, to NP, that is called praise. This is called first level. Okay. The second level, that is called middle level. So this second level, that is called what? That is known as X bar. Okay. And the third level is known as what? The head. So listeners and audience, whenever we are talking about X bar theory, so X, you take this is like XP. XP here mean, for example, we are talking about a praise. This P mean praise, and X considered here as X bar. So for example, in noun praise we have, first of all I'm talking about XP, and then XP we have what? X bar, and after that we have what? We have X. So this is called the first level, which we call praise. This is called the top level, and this is called the bottom level. So this bottom level is called head, and this was given as the middle level. So this middle level was named, which was named, that was named as X bar. Syntacticians, they gave a funny name. Okay, now we have this structure of X bar theory. Like we have XP, then X bar, and what? Head. If you want to, for example, now talk about is NP, how we will structure to NP, we have noun phrase. In noun phrase we have N bar, and then we also have N is a head. So this would be the structure. For example, we are talking about verb phrase. So this is VP, and then V bar, and after that we have V. Same is the case if we are talking about PP, prepositional phrase. So we have P bar and then P, and so on and so forth. Okay. After that, the question arises that how to write and how to apply this structure to a phrase. Remember that even X bar theory tells us about that there might be phrases. There might be phrases in a phrase. Like what? For example, I'm writing this part of the sentence. Broke the cup. Let me apply X bar theory to this part of the sentence. Broke the cup. So now, you see this broke is word phrase or just VP, and we also have the cup. This is another phrase NP. But X bar theory take it is a separate phrase like word phrase, DP determiner, and also CP is a noun, another noun phrase. How it is? See. For example, first of all, I'm talking about this broke. So we have here VP, okay, and VP we have what? V bar, and after that we have V. Yes, after that we have V. So in V we have broke. Now after that we have DP, that is the, and I'm taking for it is a D bar. Yes, and then we have D, that is what? That is the determiner. I'm taking another string for it. We have NP, okay, and NP we have N bar, and then N, and that N is cup. Okay, hope that it is clear. I'm repeating it again. If it's not clear, for example, we have VP, okay, and VP we have V bar, and V bar we have V, that is broke. Now I'm taking DP structure. DP means determiner phrase. So here you see here we have the. So for DP we have D bar, okay, and then I'm taking here is a string for determiner. So here we have determiner, that is the. Now I'm taking another string for NP. So we have NP, and then we have N bar, and after that we have N, that is what? Cup. This is the structure. I applied this structure, X bar theory structure, to a part of the sentence. Actually, if I'm talking about PP and NP, for example, if I say from Pakistan or Pakistan generally. So for example, you see, I'm taking structure for it. First we have PP is a separate noun phrase, yes, prepositional phrase, sorry. So we have PP, and then P bar, and then I'm taking is for this P, that is from. I'm separating one string for NP. So then in NP we have N bar. After N bar we have N, and that is what? Pakistan. So listeners and audience, this is actually the structure of prepositional phrase and also noun phrase and X bar theory. Further, we will elaborate this structure and verb. Hope that this topic is clear to you.